Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasam tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the one more Python program of Python files. One more example of the Python file. So now here I am going to explain the Python program. Concatenate two files content and write the result into a new file. Concatenate two files content and write the result content into the new file. Okay, so before going to the program, before writing the program, first create the file 1 and file 2 in your computer. Okay, so now here in the search bar type notepad. So the notepad will be displayed on your computer. So now here the write the file 1 content. Suppose for example I will type this is the content from file 1. Okay, so that content is, for example, I type Prakasam tutorials. So this is in file 1, this is in file 1. Okay, go to the file, click on the save button, select your suitable location, give the file name. So now here I will give this file name file 1. Click the save button, file 1 is saved. And take another take another notepad. Here type the second file content, and this is the content from file 2. Okay, in the content of file 2 I will write some matter. For example, makes learn easy, and this is in file 2, this is the content in file 2. So now go to the file, click on the save button and give the file name file2.txt. So click on the save button. So file 1 and file 2 is created in my system. Okay, and this is file 1 and this is file 1 content and this is file 2 content. And file 1 content is Prakasam tutorials, file 2 content is makes learn easy. So initially we will create the file 1 and file 2. Now coming to the program. So using open function with space open. Okay, open command, it will open the file in a read mode. Okay, copy your file location and click on the file 1, go to the properties and select your file 1 location, copy this file 1 location, paste here inside the single quotation or the double quotation, paste that location, and after that that file location backslash file name is file1 dot txt. This is the test file. Because of that, end of that file name, use the dot txt format and close the single quotation, close the single quotation, close the parenthesis. As f is the file, and end of that open command with open command, use the colon operator. So press the enter button. Okay, so now here f1 is equal to f dot read mode, it will comes to the read mode, and create another second file with open function with open function. So with space open and copy the second file location and go to your location second file, click on the file, right click on the file, select the properties and copy this file location. Okay, copy this file location and paste that file location into your program. Open off, and after pasting the that file location backslash and that file name is file2.txt. Okay, as f press the enter button. F2 is equal to f dot read method. Okay, file 1 and file 2 is created and file 1 and file 2 is opened successfully. So using concatenate operation. So what is the concatenate operation? So which is using joining two lists, two strings into a single list. Two lists or more than two lists, two strings or more than two strings into a single list or single string. So now here I will take another variable f3 is equal adding the file 1 content and file 2 content plus. So now we are the inside the double quotation is the backslash n, which means the content second file content will be printed into next line plus f2. So again use the open function, and this is the reading mode. This is the this open command and this open command is the reading mode. Next writing mode. So write the data into the new file. So with open file name, file location. So now here I will give the file name file3. My writing data will be displayed in file3. So e colon subject material file location file3.txt. So writing mode, because of that here mention the writing method. That writing method or writing mode is inside the single quotation w. Okay, so press the enter button. F dot write method. So f dot write of f3 variable additional concatenation of two files f3. Okay, so this is the program of the concatenate two files content and write the resultant value resultant content into a new file. Okay, now save the program, click on the run module. So give the file name. My file name is filecont.py. Okay, now here error will be executed. What is that error? With with open command os error invalid argument. So that invalid argument is the slash operator. Slash operator. So now here and this forward slash and backslash I already explained in my Python file concept. So in that Python file concept, I used backslash symbol. In that concept successfully executed. Okay. So if the program is not executed, that backslash operator not supported in the open command, instead of this backslash we can use forward slash. Instead of that backslash we can use forward slash. Okay, so now save the program and run the program. So what you can observe on the Python console. So we can observe the Python program is successfully executed, and observe the content in the test file, and observe that content into the test file. Go to the file. This is file 3 is created successfully in my system. So click on this file 3. Okay, file 3 is, and what is the file 1 content? File 1 content, this is the file 1 content and this is the file 2 content. add the two files into a new file. Add the two files into a new file. And this is file 1 content and this is file 2 content. This is file 2 content and this is the content of the concatenation of the file 1 and file 2.